Hello everyone. Today we will do maths, and in maths we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 6, more division. In fifth chapter we had learned about division. Now here we will learn about more division. Before starting the chapter, we will see here what are the different ways you can help others. Sushmita keep 1 hour every day to read her grandmother. How many hours does she read to her grandmother in a week? From a biscuit packet of 20 biscuits, Saroj gave a hungry dog 12 biscuits. How many biscuits are there in the pocket now? Now, these type of calculation we will see in this chapter. First of all, we will see exploring division further. Now here is the method is given for short division that we were doing in the chapter number 5. One example is given. 8 divided by 4 is equals to how much? So that all of you know that in the table of 4 we are doing 4 to the 8. So answer will be 8. And this division we can write like this also. 8 divided by 4 and the answer will be 2. So here you can see divisor, dividend and quotient. So this is called short division, and I think the answer is 8. Is it 8? No, the answer is 2. So we have to see this 8 is dividend, 4 is divided and the quotient is 2. So 2 is the answer, and in division the answer of this division is called quotient. That you have to remember, and this is called short division. ये जो है division उसे बोलते हैं short division. Here that you all are doing mistake, that you have to write it carefully. Whenever these two numbers are there, you have to write quotient here in the ones place only. Don't write on the tens place. Second example, 18 divided by 6. So that you know 6 multiply by how much, then 18. So you will give the answer 3. And remember, you have to write 3 here at the ones place. Don't write on the tens place. So answer will be 3. Third example, 28 divided by 2. So 28 divided by 2, answer will be 14. So these are the examples for the short division, and here some more examples are given for the practice. You can try this. This is very easy. And how will you do that? You just try to by yourself. Okay, and now we will go to the next page. Now here now here we will see long division. First example, 8 students work in pairs helping the nursery class children with their art activity. How many pairs of students were there? Now here you will tell only one number is given, 8 students. No other numbers are given. So you have to remember that the word pairs. Pairs means 2. So here we will do the calculation like this. 8 students put into groups of 2 gives 4 groups. 8 स्टूडेंट्स है और वो पेयर में काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब एक ग्रुप में दो दो जन है, तो 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. तो ये जो डिवीजन है ये लॉन्ग डिवीजन में हमें उसको ऐसे भी लिखना होता है 8 divided by 2 and answer will be 4. Okay. So here 8 is dividend, 2 is divisor, and 4 is quotient. We have to write like this. 8 divided by 2, answer is 4. So for the answer we have to write like this. There are 4 pairs of students helping nursery children in their art activity. Now second example. There are 42 children in the nursery class. They are seated in equal groups around 6 tables. How many children on each table? See, if the question is asked by the word on each table, at that time mostly you have to do the division. So here we have to write 42 divided by 6. That is called long division. Now how will we do this? We will write like this, 42 and divided by 6. Now think 6 times what number gives 42, and if you remember the table of 6, you can give the answer quickly. You can think like this, 6 multiply by how many numbers, then answer will be 42. So 6 sevens are 42, but in calculation you have to write like this, 42 divided by 6, and now 6 sevens are 42, so 42 minus 42, answer will be 0. There are 7 children around each table in the nursery class. You have to write answers like this only. Now here, try this. The same thing is given here. Here you have to write 6 multiply by 3, and what will be the answer? This is the short number, so you can give the answer 3 2s are 6. Here we have to write, what will be the answer? 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 6, answer will be 0. Like this you have to do these two sums also, and you can do it by yourself. And yes, remember this, if you are writing the numbers, we have to write it according to place value. You don't have to write here on the tens place. First of all, you will write on the ones place. Now we will go to the next page. Now remainder in division. See, here in previous page we had seen, if we are doing the division, the number that comes in the last, that is 0. After subtraction we got the answer 0. But here some remainder will be there, मतलब कुछ तो नंबर उसमें बच्चे होंगे कि जो डिवीजन हम कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते. Ashish was packing 13 blankets for distributing during winter. He was putting 4 blankets in one packet. See, total 13 blankets are there, and in one packet 4 blankets are there. There are 3 groups of 4 in 13. There is one blanket left over. एक पैकेट में 4 ब्लैंकेट आते हैं, तो 1, 2 and 3 groups are there of 4 blankets. Now 1 is remaining. एक बच गया है. Sometimes in division we may not able to equally group or equally share all the objects. Something might be left over. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि डिवाइड करने में या शेयर करने में कुछ तो बच जाता है जिसका हम डिवीजन या शेयरिंग नहीं कर सकते. The number that is left over in division is called the remainder. मतलब जो नंबर बच जाता है डिवीजन के बाद, तो उसे बोलते हैं रिमाइंडर. The remainder will always be smaller than the divisor. जो डिवाइजर होता है उससे हमेशा रिमाइंडर कम स्मॉल नंबर होता है. Numbers in each group, that is divisor, that is 4, 13, that is dividend. Now 4 3s are 12. So here if we will do 13 minus 12, so 1 is remainder, that number left over. So I hope all of you understood this. For this you have to make a lot of practice, then only you can understood this type of sums. And of course you have to prepare the tables also for these chapters. So please write the tables daily in your notebook. And here one activity is also given, that also you will do by yourself, and try to do this. Use Rajma seeds, put them into equal groups. How many groups are there? How many are left over? One is given here. 20 number of seeds are there. In if we keep it in two groups, then number of groups will be 10. How would you know? Because we had done like this, 20 divided by 2, the number of groups will be 10. So no remainder will be there. Now here 20 number of seeds are there, number of groups, that is 3. And now what is the number of group? 20 divided by 3. So what will be the answer? You have to write it here, and afterwards if there is any remainder you have to write here. And I think remainder will be there in this. So what is the number for remainder? You just try to do it by yourself and write it here. So this is the activity that you can do, and these are the small sums for the division, that also you can do. And you have to tick where next to those which will have a remainder. जिसमें remainder आता है उसमें आपको टिक करना है. So this is the activity for you, and you can do this with your practice. So I think that you have to do it by yourself. It is very easy. So keep practicing. Okay, and I hope all of you understood this. Thank you and have a nice day.